Ijele finally replied Biafra Liberation Army. This guy, whether they call Ijele, is a troublemaker. No be smart thing. As we dey talk that one, I come bring out a video of an interview where one international man granted the PM will be Simon Ekpa. Come use am, come dey laugh Simon Ekpa. Ijele, wetin dey happen? Yeah, my wonderful people, we go find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Jace. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Here we talk through with no fear. My people, may we quickly jump into the matter where we get for hand today. Ijele don't come outside again. No, he said that the Biafra Liberation Army they carry gun, they work out for inside bush while the oga no one come back home. Now I come dey ask am, Ijele, it concern you? I come dey ask am, it concern you? Ijele no gree, he keep on talking. May I play the video, may you watch, may you hear wetin this Ijele talk with him own mouth, wey take dey eat yam and swallow apple. My people, this thing provoke me, but however, I will play you the video. May you watch.
Sorry?
You're in Finland?
Yes.
So wouldn't it be better if you went back home and did the political thing there?
You should know. You see, I learn from what happened to others. I don't want to put my life in danger because the country, as far as I'm concerned, does not exist. Any country that does not respect the rule of law doesn't exist.
You're scared you might be killed?
Not everybody, you know that. You can say that as well. Yes.
Mazinduka wene dinenu mwuka. You see am? Land hungry. You see am? You there inside bush, they shout woto na water. See your Ghana. How else would you tell an Abraham bingo Mwambeteri Umumbuefe in the bushes shouting woto and na water, other than showing them this video of the Oga? Oh, the country does not exist, that's why you are not there. Really? But you want people's children to be in there, not just there in the bushes. Your own brothers and sisters were there in Nigeria, why you no send them? They ask you whether you are afraid, say they go buy you. You say yes, you know that. Oh, now these ones where they buy for bush go to na mere no ngune better than they buy. Mere no ngune better kon no fu anu man no bona shi bush puta yaka yakoro. Nizenu no Simon nwa akpuda. Nezienu Simon jizu na egwu. See Simon, see what he do on. Say, oh, you know what? Now to the chop your money. Iti that are contributing. Person will go hustling as you go hustling. All of a sudden, he don't rebrand himself. Say, you won't come say, Chineke, unu la kwa dodi. Unu la rohia no. Yeah. Oh, say you know what? Say the country no exist. Then why are you not telling these ones in the bushes to leave? Like, since you people are government in exile, it should be a country in exile. All of them should meet you there. Eh? And why they are deceiving you with this thing? Your local government chairmen are collecting their allocations, pocketing them. The ones that don't have local government chairman, your governors and his caretaker committees are just eating the money. Who do you think will fix your place? All these countries where on a day where they fix each road where they use, no be local government builder. And you think if you every local government, if every local government is taking care of, the whole Nigeria will not be taken care of, and they will be here deceiving you. This is their life goal. Those that went before them thrived on this scam. They prospered, sent their children to school, built mighty homes, took the best women, even people's wives, everything. And these ones have come again. You, Nwanza, what they used to fool those that didn't have access to internet is what they are still using to fool you. As
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, you don't hear what he talk for. He said that the Simon Ekpa is here to chop our people. Now when they ask him, say, which one he don't contribute to put, but I don't know. That one not concern Ijele. However, here we they here they bring you ogbonge news as it they happen. Now so would they bring up, they tell you, we not they lie, would they bring what in person talk. May you yourself hear and say this person talk am. If you want keep am as evidence, may you keep am. Now one now for your own. We don't bring the information, call your own work now to share and more other people know what in this guy they talk. And more other people still contribute put for inside this matter. Ijele. No be smart, you know. As we they talk that one, now they said that the Labour Party candidate in Imo State will go for governorship. He said the man, as they measure, say na hope of the man win. Now so the man come from big 3-4 bam. He say na people will do an interview, na they even come revive am, come wake am up. Not be smart, you know. The election chocotalize am. Remember, say I bring in video 2 times when they thought say we are now begging the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu to give us a fair election. Now I call am say oga e dey sleep for your crocodile eyes. Now they come out una oga wey be Peter Obi and come carry Tinubu give una. The same Tinubu wey dey for APC go leave your own person, come give you fair election. E be like say this man don dey colos. After the election, now the man come dey on colos. He say na interview sef na they come wake up. No be smart, you know. Things they happen for this world though. If we will talk, they say balabas, he don't talk again. Some go they come the right nonsense. But will they tell you before the thing go happen? You don't see him. This man now, shebi in money come become night to am. No be small thing. However, we dey here today bring you ogbonge news. Let's jump into the main ogbonge news wey we carry come here today. Guys, you don't hear wetin Ijele talk concerning Simon Ekpa and other army wey dey inside bush. Guy, I want you to contribute and leave your own opinion and share this video so other people go see am. People need to visit Ijele. People need to go see. Oh my God. People need to go drop a wonderful comment for Ijele. Guys, share this video. Ijele need to see am. Biafra Liberation Army don already see the first one. They need to see this one too. Okay, my people, I'm going to play you the video of that that man wey they call Aka, the presidential candidate of a governor for Imo State, wey be say he don't fall for Yakata for inside the lodge. No be smart, you know. The man say he even faint as they talk am. Say na hope of the man now win the election. Now try say oga wake up oh, may you no try faint. If you faint, me and you go gather am. Because I dey tell you from the beginning, where you dey talk say Tinubu go do that, he go do that one. We'll play the video, may you watch before we come back and proceed.
Yesterday, the security agencies of this country raped our democracy. It was a big shock. I just recovered from it this morning, the disappointment. See, the DSS, the police and the military raped our democracy. It was like a coup by the security agencies of this country. It wasn't INEC. My party members were shouting INEC. INEC, they were scared. They changed, they brought people from different states of this country. And when they came, they were willing to work. But when you see the security agents that are supposed to protect you in a state where they behead people like chicken, doing the bidding of government, what do? You play ball, or they kill you. A state where they bomb their own citizens, a state where they have the tiger base, where innocent people are falling like flies. Go to the mortuary of that state, thousands of dead bodies unclaimed, and you want somebody from Kano or someone from Southwest who has never been here before, and he's seeing security agents doing the bidding of the APC government, and they want that security agent not to sign whatever they ask them to sign. It's not INEC. Because there was not everything we asked for except the removal of the rec. INEC listened to us, did it. But we are now watching this is the time the chairman will now come and tell us why he didn't stop the collation yesterday. Because you cannot have collation where what you have on the document, the result sheet is different from what you have on your IRF. And he told us, he told the whole country that this time BVAS will work. And that BVAS will be used for accreditation. 70% of the voting yesterday was done without BVAS accreditation. Yet, a result was announced.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you don't hear them. The same man will come outside tell us say, if you see any armored tanker, if you see any security person, make them no fear. Say 10,000 men. They oga, where is the 10,000 men? Where all those ones they do all those things for Imo State? Let me tell you people the truth. If you like, take am. If you like, no take am. Na the same people. Hope Uzodimma, Agotaka, PDP, all of them na the same people. These people don't join the crew wey be say na then they manage this business wey we dey inside, wey we call them country. Na then they manage the business. So next time they go still bring another person come give una and share all of them for different parts. Una go kill una sef put for matter wey see kill said the person wey they don already point for inside their secret meeting, na the person go still dey there. If you no know am now, more na wake up for this sleep, one na dey sleep. Na be the truth. Here I will tell truth with no fear. Na wetin happen for that place. Forget name wey they give am, Labour Party, forget PDP, forget APC. They know wetin they do. If they don't tire, shebi na PDP be host since they don't tire. They constantly say the name don dey cast, they carry and give APC. APC don dey cast. More time now they go shift and come give Labour Party or bring another one, constantly give us. More would they take? Here would they tell you wetin dey happen? If you like reason and not like no reason, and may your blockhead they deceive you. Guys, please share this video. Share this video. People need to see and understand wetin dey happen. Here we preach nothing but the truth and tell you how it is. If we want to tell you, we'll tell you. Okay, my people, we'll see you for the next update. Thank you so much for watching.